Okay, hello guys. Nice to see you again. In the last time, we talked about how to select the right SPC flooring for your home or for your project. And we see that you need to focus on the thickness and the well thickness and also the colors, the pattern, the padding. SPC flooring has three main click systems. And also you need to consider your budget, right? Okay, today our main topic is how to identify the MSPC flooring and the SPC flooring. So first of all, do not forget to follow up us and to get the free samples and the discounts. I think that all of you guys will ask what is MSPC flooring and what is the difference between MSPC flooring and the SPC flooring. We all know that the SPC flooring means that stone plastic composition, and its main raw material is PVC powder and stone powder, which consists of the SPC flooring rigid core, as known by us. Okay, so as we just showing last time, this is the PVC powder. Yeah, it's the raw material of SPC flooring, and also this stone powder is also one of the raw material of the SPC flooring, and this two material is nearly 95% of the SPC flooring core. Okay, similarly, MSPC flooring also use the SPC core, and it adds a M surface. So what the M means? The M means melamine or melamine paper. Okay, so we have the melamine paper here, and we also call it stacker paper. This is some samples of melamine paper, and I just show it here, and I will talk about it later. Okay. We know that the SPC flooring colors is determined by the color films. I think we talked last time. We have the deco films. The deco film SPC flooring, the colors is determined by the color films. It's not deco paper like the MSPC flooring. Yes. This one is deco film, and this one is the deco paper. And this one is PVC material, and this one is paper. It's not PVC material, and I will show you difference later. Okay. Okay, but the MSPC flooring, just as I said, is determined by the color paper, and the melamine paper is consisted of deco paper. This is deco paper, and also whose main material is aluminum dioxide, and also impregnant glue or deep glue, so we call it melamine paper. And you may also ask why we need the melamine paper and what's the advantage compared with the SPC flooring. Okay, so before we explain the MSPC flooring advantage, I want to talk about the laminated flooring first. And when the laminated flooring comes out, it's super anti-scratch, and it's also abrasion resistance ability is welcomed by the customers, and the most advantage is the budget save. Compared to the SPC flooring, the laminate is very cost save for you. The laminated flooring surface are indeed use the melamine paper, so it can reach the super anti-scratch and abrasion resistance ability. Because its surface, just as I said before, its surface is covered with aluminum oxide metal coating. Yes, because the laminate flooring also has a weakness that it's not waterproof and will expansion when it's swelled in the water. So which makes the PVC raw material like LVT, WPC, and SPC as the new popular trends. Okay, so we should admit that the SPC flooring is full of advantage like the waterproof and anti-scratch and easy installation and fireproof and no fault. We received some clients' feedback about the SPC flooring that its anti-scratch and abrasion resistance is not enough, especially used in the heavy commercial environment. Some clients will feedback that they think the SPC flooring is easy installation and is waterproof, but not okay in the heavy commercial. They need one flooring to be sure there is super anti-scratch and abrasion resistance ability. So we developed our MSPC flooring. Okay, I want to make a small test about the SPC flooring and MSPC flooring. to show its anti-scratch and abrasion resistance ability. We use a knife to scratch the SPC and the MSPC. Firstly, this is the SPC flooring, it's a common SPC flooring, and this is the deco film and the XP padding. So, and this one is our MSPC flooring. Yes, it's the deco paper. Okay, so we have a test to show its anti-scratch resistance. So firstly, we use a knife to scratch the SPC flooring surface. Okay. We have seen that the MSPC flooring is damaged with stone and PVC powder. PVC powder falls out. Yes. The first surface is damaged by the scratch of the knife. Okay. So in the heavy commercial size, it also will be damaged by the heavy traffic, like the women's high heel. Okay. Let's have a test on the MSPC flooring. Use the knife to scratch it. You can scratch it more time than it. You can see that it's still no damage. Okay, compared to the SPC flooring, it's damaged, and the MSPC flooring is still no obvious changes. Yes. After listening my explanation about the laminate and the SPC flooring, you may feel that the MSPC flooring is like an advantage composition between the laminate flooring with its anti-scratch ability and the SPC flooring waterproof. So MSPC flooring also has a click system for easy installation, and it's also fireproof, and it's also burning scratch resistance, and it's stain resistance, and so on. It seems that it's not a breakthrough innovation to connect the laminate flooring and the laminate flooring surface with the SPC flooring core. As a fact, it's beyond your imagination. We can understand that it is very easily why the SPC flooring is more stable, because its SPC flooring core and the deck film and also the wear layer are all PVC material. Same material will be more stable in the extrusion production under the high temperature. Just as we show that this is the deck film is PVC material. Yes. It's not like a paper, it's PVC material, and the SPC floor, the main material of the SPC core is also PVC. So you can understand that if the same material is the production after the extrusion, it will be more stable than two different materials. Yes, but our MSPC flooring is not. It's different. You will not forget that the MSPC flooring are connected by two different materials. It's melamine paper and also the SPC core. So which will increase the difficulty of stability control. Yeah. So after several years of research, and we add a balance layer on the back of the flooring to keep the MSPC flooring is stable under the higher temperature. So this is the balance layer of the MSPC flooring, and so if we say the MSPC flooring structure, it has three main layers. The first one is we call the melamine paper layer, and this is the SPC core, and also the back is the balance layer. Okay, SPC flooring expansion power is offset by the balance layer pulling strength to ensure the MSPC flooring is dimensional stability and slight curling. You know, if you do the SPC flooring and if you use the SPC flooring, you will know that the SPC flooring will also expansion after when it's in the higher temperature. So expansion is the SPC core, and it's the same in MSPC. It will also expansion if we just use the SPC core, but we also add a balance layer on the back. When the temperatures increase, when we have the relative humidity in this environment, after the high temperature, the balance layer will have the pulling strength, but it's pulling strength down. So the one power is SPC core is pulling up, and the balance layer is pulling down. So it have a balance after it in the high temperature. So the MSPC flooring now is very stable. Yes, even it in the high temperature. The MSPC flooring is most stable in the higher relative humidity. In this environment, it's more stable than the common, because the balance layer and the deck paper also will absorb the water, and have the pouring strength. Okay, we send the sample to the third-party SGS to get the MSPC flooring dimensional stability and also the curling by the ISO 23999. And we also test the MSPC flooring by the SGS, and we also get the SGS report. This is report by SGS, and our MSPC flooring. Let me check the MSPC flooring. The dimensional stability is 0.5%. Okay, and the curling is 1.0 millimeters. Yes. In the dimensional stability is nearly same with the SPC flooring, but it's a little over. But you can understand that it's just as I said before, it's two different materials connection. So it's reasonable to understand that the dimensional stability is over than SPC because SPC is only one material. It's curling down, it's not curling up. Sometimes if the flooring is curling up, it's like this. If it's curling up, it will expansion and it will affect the whole house or whole project elegance. But if it's pulling down, sometimes the flooring has the gravity itself. So it's pulling down, it will be more flat in the ground. And we also work on the flooring, so we will also have the gravity on the flooring and it will be more stable, more flat. Okay, today we talk about how to identify the MSPC flooring and SPC flooring from its consistent structure. Let's have a conclusion. The MSPC structure is the deck paper. Its deck paper have we call melamine paper. Melamine paper have the deck paper and the aluminum dioxide and also the SPC core and also the balance layer to expansion flooring strength. Okay, this is the MSPC flooring structures. And for the SPC flooring, I think you may have an understanding of it. It's just the deck film and SPC core and also the padding. And also we introduced the advantages and why we developed this MSPC flooring. Because the clients feedback that the SPC flooring is not okay. It's not to protect the flooring itself. It's not super anti-scratch. So we developed the MSPC. And also we show the test report. It's SGS test report to test the main problems. It's worried by many clients because they know that it's two different materials to connect each other. So they need to know when the temperature is high, whether it can be expansion or maybe expansion down or expansion up. And the flooring I already passed the SGS test and get the report. And we also talk that we have export this flooring to USA, Russia, and the Southeast. So we have to export to Germany. Okay. So we believe the MSPC flooring will replace the SPC flooring step by step, especially in the heavy commercial environments. And thanks to its super anti-scratch and the abrasion resistance than the SPC flooring. Okay, if you are interested in it, and just follow up us, and you can also contact us, and we will send the free samples to you for your evaluation. And besides, we will keep you updated more information in the resilient flooring companies. So just follow up us and see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.